Extending blessings to others during meditation practice is a beautiful way to spread love, positivity, and healing energy to those in need. Have you ever thought about that? Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today we are exploring how you can extend the blessings to others during meditation practice. So let's dive in. The beauty of extending blessings is that we can do it to anyone, those we love and those we don't even know. And let me tell you something. This is a great way to help someone to be present and connected to their inner selves. Yep, you actually are connected yourself and you help someone to connect with their inner being. What a beautiful thing. And without mentioning that by doing this, we grow so much in our spiritual path, because as we help others, we are automatically helping ourselves. We are all interconnected beings. But how can we extend the blessings to others? This is exactly what we're exploring today. And here are 6 steps you can take to effectively send the blessings during meditation. Step number 1 is set your intention. In this step, you begin your meditation by setting the intention to send the blessings, love, and positive energy to whoever you want to send it to. So in this case, focus on the person or the individuals or the groups, whether they are loved ones, friends, strangers, or those in need of healing. And probably by the time you do that, you already know to whom you're sending blessings to. And then we go to step number 2, which is closely aligned. Step number 2 is cultivate loving kindness. By cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards others during meditation practice, you essentially raising your vibration. In this case, you visualize a warm, glowing light of love and blessings emanating from your heart and expanding outward to reach the person or those you are sending blessings to. And this is something that I've been doing a lot, especially to my father. If you watched my previous videos, I talked about that. My father was diagnosed with a tumor, a malignant tumor, in October. And while I was waiting to travel to, because my family lives in Brazil, so while I was waiting to visit with them, I was sending blessings, so I would eventually cultivate this feeling. Well, that's my father, right? The feeling of love is naturally here, so it was pretty easy. But I went into this vibration mode of sending healing energy to him from a distance, and then that worked out pretty well. And I've been doing this with some other family members. Now, thankfully, he's good. Everything turned out okay, but this is something that I was doing before I travel. And now that I'm back, I continue doing this from a distance. And then we go to our tip number 3, also very aligned. That is the use of affirmations. In this case, you incorporate positive affirmations or prayers into your meditation practices to express your intentions for sending blessings to others or your loved one. So in this case, you repeat phrases such as, may you be happy, may you be healthy, especially if you are sending blessings, energy healing for someone that needs health. May you be at peace, or sending you love, light, and blessings for your highest good. So these affirmations will pretty much vary depending on your intention during the blessings or the healing, the energy healing you are sending to the person or group of people. And then that leads us to our tip or step number 4, also closely aligned, that is visualize the recipients, and this is very important. So in this case, you visualize the individuals or groups you're sending blessings to in your mind's eyes, your third eye. Imagine them surrounded by a golden light of love, healing, and protection, as at the same time you're feeling the positive energy and blessings you are sending their way. This is actually a form of Reiki healing as well. And again, I did this with my dad from the time I learned about his cancer diagnosis to his surgery, and I still do this up to today. And I also do this with some other family members that are in need of energy, positive energy for their health condition or conditions. That leads us to our step number 5. That is practice gratitude. So express gratitude for the opportunity to send blessings to others and for the interconnectedness of all beings, because this is what we are all about. At the end of the day, we are all interconnected. We are not alone. Each one of us has an important part in this cosmos. So acknowledge the power of your intentions and the ripple effect of positivity that your blessings can create in the world. And we see this a lot of times, especially when we get together for prayers, meditation, chanting, music, even music. We can do that. And that leads us to our final tip, our tip number 6, that is extend blessings beyond individuals. In this one, in addition to send the blessings to a specific person or individuals, you can also extend the blessings to larger groups, communities, or even the entire world. So the way you do that, again, like as if you're sending to a specific person, you visualize a wave of love and blessings spreading far and wide, touching the hearts and souls of all beings. And a great example of this type of blessings is Dr. Joe Dispenza. So if you're familiar with his work, Dr. Joe Dispenza has led the Walks for the World, which has been able to really gather thousands, if not millions of people in a common goal, so we can all meditate while walking and send love and healing to the entire world and raise the world's vibration. So what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful way to express our love to our fellow humans. Not only friends and family, but to the entire universe. Fellow beings that we don't even know, to the planet as a whole, to Mother Nature, and really connect through our true essence, through our higher selves. So by incorporating these practices into your meditation routine, you essentially activate the power of love, compassion, and positive energy, as I have mentioned previously. And this way we extend the blessings to others and contribute to the collective well-being and healing of humanity. But remember, the act of sending blessings to others is a selfless and heart-centered practice that can bring joy, peace, and connection to both the sender and the recipients. And this is where it comes our spiritual growth. But at the same token, it's very important that you are connected with your inner self, with your inner being, that you are in a state of awareness of consciousness, that you are conscious. And by the way, talking about that, if you need help to elevate your consciousness for greater insights and for abundance for you and those around you, you can find this practice right here. And if you need help also practicing loving kindness, that may be a kickstart depending where you are, I will also add the links in the description. And if you like this video and if it was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload new ones. And this also helps YouTube share with those who may benefit from this type of content. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Take care.